Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Gemish. The gas that leaked from a chemical factory on the outskirts of Visakhapatnam on Thursday 7th of May, leaving at least 11 dead and sending hundreds to hospital is called styrene. Styrene gas leaked from a storage tank of Chem Polymers. The factory was established in 1961, originally as Hindustan Polymers, to manufacture polystyrene. It was merged with McDowell & Co. of the UB Group in 1978, then taken over in 1997 by South Korea-based Chem, which renamed it LG Polymers. The factory manufactures general-purpose polystyrene and high-impact polystyrene, expandable polystyrene, and engineering plastics compounds. It is located at RRV Puram in Gopalapatnam, 15 kilometers from Visakhapatnam city. Styrene is an organic compound with the formula C8H8. It is a derivative of benzene. It is stored in factories as a liquid but evaporates easily and has to be kept at temperatures under 20 degrees Celsius. Styrene is the main raw material for synthesis of polystyrene. Polystyrene in turn is a versatile plastic that is used to make parts of various appliances such as refrigerators or micro-ovens, automotive parts and parts of electronics such as computers, and also to manufacture disposable cups and in food packaging. A company official said 1,800 tons of styrene was stored in a tank of capacity 2,400 tons. The gas leaked from this tank when officials were preparing to reopen the factory that was shut for 44 days due to lockdown. As explained, styrene has to be stored in a gas tanks under 20 degrees Celsius to keep it stable. The temperature has to be continuously monitored, and any exposure to light or heat may result in polymerization. If the temperature rises, inhibitors have to be added to keep the styrene stable. At LG Chem, an inhibitor tank is attached to the styrene storage tank, but it failed to stabilize it in time. As the styrene was stagnant for 44 days, officials said it was possible that some gas accumulated at the ceiling of the storage tank and its temperature rose beyond the specified 20 degrees Celsius and the styrene started vaporizing and escaped. This is called autopolymerization. However, the exact cause is still being ascertained. Exposure to styrene gas affects the central nervous system, says the source. Breathlessness, respiratory problems, irritation in eyes, indigestion, nausea, transient loss of consciousness, giddiness are caused by the exposure to it. In this incident, people were exposed to the gas for a short duration, so there may not be any long-term effects. However, in people suffering from respiratory illness such as asthma and those who have chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, these conditions may get exaggerated. Those suffering from diabetes or hypertension may have anxiety disorders too. It is the mucous membrane that is mainly affected by exposure to styrene gas. In Visakhapatnam, the styrene gas leak caused acute breathlessness among many people, a few of whom asphyxiated to death. Experts say that if people are exposed to the gas for a long period, there is a chance of developing leukemia and headaches. As per the United States Environmental Protection Agency, tests involving acute exposure of rats and mice have shown styrene to have low to moderate toxicity by inhalation and oral exposure. Animal studies have reported effects on the central nervous system, liver, kidney and eye and nasal irritation from inhalation exposure to styrene.